Now, Tesla shares tumbled over 7% on Wednesday's trading day. Analysts have growing concerns as the company reported deliveries flatlining in the second quarter. Now, Goldman Sachs and KeyBank Capital Markets issued notes saying that the demand for the company's higher-priced Model S sedan and Model X SUV may hit a plateau. Earlier today, I spoke with Bloomberg Technology's Ashlee Vance, who wrote the book on Elon Musk. I started off by asking him, well, how important the company's upcoming Model 3 will be for investors.
We can look at the S and the X sales, but the Model 3 remains this kind of make or break product for Tesla. Over the weekend, we heard from Elon that they're going to ship about 30 Model 3s this month. So the good news is that the car is arriving much earlier than Tesla products tend to arrive. It's almost on time. The bad news, of course, is that they're talking about kind of hand making 30 cars, and this is definitely not mass production like we're used to seeing from other automakers. But really, over the next year, 2 years, it's how the Model 3 sells that will come, that will define Tesla. And if you're an investor in the company, I mean, the only way the share price makes any sense right now is if the Model 3 does very well.
And when we're looking at the slight sell-off that we saw today in Tesla's share price, that seems to also be digesting those numbers that we got very late Monday prior to the US holiday coming from Model S, Model X sales, and they did seem to disappoint. Is there an issue that potentially there's a plateau going on here?
It looks that way a little bit. Tesla seemed to blame some of the lackluster sales on trouble getting a battery pack into production. This has been a concern, though, that's been haunting the company forever, is how many rich people are there that can buy a car that really starts at about $100,000 after you start equipping it with a few things. And you look around Silicon Valley, where I live, I've been amazed to see how many are out there. There's even more wealthy people here than I ever imagined, the same in Los Angeles. But you wonder how this plays out globally, and so now maybe finally that car's starting to stall a little bit, and of course that's where they make their much higher margins than they're going to make on the Model 3, so it's a problem if that stalls out.